Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets are once again subjected to wild swings in the past 24 hours as above expectation US inflation numbers weighed on investor sentiment. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, surpassed the crucial $73,000 mark. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 92,000 points. Interestingly, VanEck has announced that all trading fees for its spot Bitcoin ETFs will be waived until March 31, 2025 in response to the crypto assets' recent surge. On the economic front, US inflation in February was hotter than hoped earlier Tuesday, with the consumer price index rising 3.2%, slightly higher than analyst estimates. Sticky inflation this year could discourage the Federal Reserve from cutting interest rates. That expectation led to the sudden burst of volatility in the market. Elsewhere, Ripple, DogeCoin and Litecoin tumbled 6% to 8%. Avalanche's native token AVAX was the only notable gainer, up 15% for the day. In other news, Thailand's SEC has approved private funds investing in US spot Bitcoin ETFs, a significant change in the country's crypto investment regulations. The move follows the US Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of Bitcoin ETF trading on January 1st. Moving on, CoinShares International Limited, a leading European investment company, has completed the acquisition of Valkyrie Funds LLC, the investment advisory business of Valkyrie Investment Incorporation, and the sponsor rights to the Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, a physically backed Bitcoin ETF. Meanwhile, the volatility liquidated over $360 million worth of leveraged derivatives positions across all cryptos, mostly longs betting on rising prices, CoinGlass data shows. This was the largest long flush out since the March 5th correction. Going forward, Coinbase plans to raise $1 billion through a convertible debt offering following the path of Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.7 trillion mark, increasing 2.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 8% to $161 billion. In other news, Floki experienced a 455% increase in price this month due to a large burn of over 14.5 billion Floki tokens worth $3.2 million. This process, which involved burning 4.2 trillion tokens in January 2023, is believed to reduce the amount of Floki available in the market. Toncoin, the native cryptocurrency of the Telegram Open network, has seen a 25% rally in the last 24 hours, reaching an all-time high of $4.45. Currently trading at 16.31% with a market cap of $15 billion, trading volumes have surged 30% to $354 million. NEAR, a native token on Layer 1 blockchain NEAR, has nearly doubled since March 5th due to NVIDIA's annual conference, Transforming AI. NEAR is a proof-of-stake blockchain based on its project Nightshade. US stock futures traded mixed after Wall Street saw the S&P 500 close at a fresh high. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.1%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures were also little changed. Bitcoin was trading at $73,280, up 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1.7%, trading at $4,054. BNB was up by 10% to trade at $583. Solana SOL was up 1% and was trading at $152. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2% to trade at $0.75. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $54, higher 13%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 4.5% to trade at $1.2. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.1% at $0.17. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.56, up by 0.3%. Polkadot was up by 5% to trade at $11.2. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.
With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0TV delivers the news that matters.
cryptocurrency investment platform, Mudrex plans to offer US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to institutional and retail investors in India. This is the first Indian crypto platform to offer this service to institutions. Mudrex will list 4 spot ETFs, BlackRock, Fidelity, Franklin Templeton, and Vanguard in the first phase. The firm, backed by Y Combinator and based in California, will ensure transaction processing through broker partners in the US, while the Indian subsidiary will facilitate the spot Bitcoin ETF service. This development is unprecedented due to India's crypto regulatory environment being divided between the Central Bank and Reserve Bank of India and the government led by the Finance Ministry. The Bitcoin spot ETF works as a security, allowing Indians to use Bitcoins through ETFs to diversify their portfolio. VanEck has announced that all trading fees for its spot Bitcoin ETFs will be waived until March 31, 2025 in response to the crypto assets' recent surge. Starting tomorrow, new holders can invest in VanEck Bitcoin Trust with no fees until March 31, 2025. The promotion includes a waiver of the entire sponsor fee for the first time, $1.5 billion of the trustees' assets from March 12, 2024 to March 31, 2025. If the trust assets exceed $1.5 billion before March 31, 2025, the sponsor fee charged on assets over $1.5 billion will be 0.2%. After March 31, 2025, the sponsor fee will be 0.2%. VanEck's HODL Bitcoin ETF is physically backed by Bitcoin and held in cold storage at a qualified custodian. Bitcoin has been on the rise since the approval of Bitcoin ETFs in January 2024, surpassing the Swiss franc for the 13th largest currency in the world. Thailand's SEC has approved private funds investing in US spot Bitcoin ETFs, a significant change in the country's crypto investment regulations. The move follows the US Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of Bitcoin ETF trading on January 11th. The recent robust inflow into the US spot Bitcoin ETF segment has boosted global investors' confidence in the investment instrument. Thailand SEC Secretary General aims to cater to the growing demand for digital asset exposure among institutional investors, but emphasizes the need for caution due to the high-risk nature of these investments. Retail investors in Thailand face limitations in accessing spot Bitcoin ETFs directly, as the amended crypto regulations cater primarily to accredited investors, excluding retail participation. Balancing innovation with investor protection remains paramount as institutional investors capitalize on US spot Bitcoin ETFs.